Nursery A. How are you today? Okay, Nursery A, we're going to learn a little bit about animals today. You have to repeat the name with me of these animals, okay? The first animal, snake, very good. Snake, snake, snake. Okay, the second animal. I'm gonna try to draw it with my magic finger first, okay? It's gonna be like this. The head, 1, 2, and it's brown. Camel, very good. The third animal, this is small. You can have them at home. It's like meow, meow. A cat, very good, cat, cat. Nursery A, if you have a cat or you have any picture, photo with a cat, you can send it to Alba and Olga, okay? Tell mommy and daddy. The third animal, it's big. It's black and white, but you also have brown or brownish. It says moo. We can have some milk from them. Very good, a cow, cow, cow. Very good. The next one. This is a difficult one. I'm gonna try to show you with my movement. You can find them near the water. Usually they are like red or brown. A crab, crab, crab. Very good. The next one is big. Crocodile, crocodile, crocodile. Very good. Oh, I like this one. This says woo, 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 woo. Very good. A dog, dog, dog. Very good. The next one, oh, is pink, brown. I like the pink ones. You can have them small, or then when they grow up, big. And it's like, oink, oink, oink. A pig, pig, pig. Very good. The next one, we can find him under the water in the sea. Tun, 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 tun. Shark, shark, shark. Very good. You love that song. Do you remember the song? Baby shark, do, 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 baby shark, do, 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 baby shark, baby shark. Very good. Oh, this one. Climb. They climb, they climb, they climb. Go to the tree. They're small ones. They're over like squirrel, squirrel, squirrel. Very good, Nursery A. The next one is similar to a horse, but it's not a horse. They're smaller than horses, and they are usually gray or brownish. Do you know it? This is a little bit difficult. Donkey, donkey, donkey. Very good. Next one. Okay, we think again. Let's be thinkers. Water, sea, big, and really nice. Really, really nice. Oh, they're so cute. I know some of you love this animal. Dolphin. Yes, I know some of you really like it. Dolphin. Dolphin. Very good, Nursery A. The next one, I'm gonna draw the shape, okay? Tin, 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 tin. Can you guess it? Again. See. Tin, 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 tin. Starfish, starfish, starfish. Very good, Nursery A. And the next one, again, see. Look, 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 look. Fish, fish, fish. One fish, two fish, three fish. We don't say fishes, okay? Fish. Oh, so cute. The next one. They have 4 little legs. They are hard and soft at the same time. And sometimes they're small, sometimes they are big. Turtles, turtle, turtle. Very good. The next one. The neck is super long. Super, 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 super long. Giraffe. Well done. Giraffe. Giraffe. Very good. The next one, look, this is the movement. Look, 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 look. See. Jellyfish. Very good. That was a difficult one, Nursery. Jellyfish. Jellyfish. Oh, I love this one. That's a dog, but it's a small one. How do we call small dogs when they're babies? Puppies. Yes, that's a puppy. Oh, so cute puppy. Puppy. Oh, I love it. And this one. Dun, dun. A tiger. Oops. Alba, no, that's a lion. Sorry, Nursery. Lion. Lion. Then next one. Tweet, 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 tweet. They fly. Tweet, 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 tweet. In Spanish they say pío, 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 pío. In English they say tweet, 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 tweet. Bird. 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 Very good, Nursery. And that's everything for today. We finished with the animals. Okay, Nursery, which one is your favorite animal? You know what? You can draw it and then you can send it to Alba and Olga, okay? Bye-bye, Nursery. Remember, we miss you. We love you.